I don't know if you can see down in there, but you see the pilot light. I'm going to let go of the button here where my hand is. I'm going to release it, and you'll see the pilot light go out. See that? I'm pushing in, letting go, pushing in. That's a good indication this whole sensor. This whole sensor is bad down here. I'm going to release, push it in. We have a double tank system here, and pilot's not working on here. We're going to remove the entire assembly here. But first, disconnect your gas. You've got 3 disconnects. 1, 2, 3, 4 disconnects, and this whole plate's going to come out complete. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, and this 4th igniter is going to come out with the entire base. You're going to have 2 screws, one here and one on the other side. These are 1/4 inch. I've already loosened that, and this whole thing just comes out. See that? That's it. And you can disconnect these, because these are going to stay away. This right here, black piece, is your lock pin. Get a flat screwdriver and just turn and pry it up. I can't do this with one hand, but let me take, there you go, that's it. And it all comes in, and that's it. Everything comes out together. You can separate these here now. If you don't have the tool to compress fit the screw here, you can get this old line from the old assembly and put it on the new one. Just make sure that you replace this tip, okay? That's going to go there.